VF2 inspection. I'm going to walk around the machine first. Box of manuals, coolant pump and tank. There's a wash-off hose. This machine is set up for 4th axis. Here's the checklist. Looks like it's set up for 10,000 RPM. Brushless servos, floppy, chip conveyor, extended memory, 1000 block look ahead, program coolant, quick codes. It does say it's 4th axis brushless. Also has macro codes, coordination, and rigid tap. Here's the serial number plate. (13218) 1998. This is in exceptionally good clean condition. So X, Y, and Z, and then the 4th axis would have been plugged in here, which they did not distribute. Here's a side they used a special fixture table they built for a subplate. It's not been run on the main table for a long time. This machine has a work light. They mounted a side tray for their notes. MPG, we're not sure if it's functioning correctly yet, but it's here. High intensity light. Okay, you ready to run it? Programmable coolant.
Do the y-axis.
Okay, so we'll do the y-axis first. Very nice and quiet.
X-axis.
The x-axis moving. And the z-axis. I'm about 1.5 feet away. Okay, we'll do a tool change.
Tool change forward.
Locking the spindle. Okay, the fingers look really good. Let's do some RPMs. Let's start off at about 4. I'll close the door. I'm going to go to the side. This is running at 4,000 RPM. I'm about 10 inches away. Okay, you want to go to 7. We're going to run at max RPM, but we're Not going to leave it running for long. That's 10,000 RPM. So this will conclude the inspection of the Haas VF2.